Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I'm Pooja Tripathi and today we are going to learn about pre-number concepts. So pre-number concepts are the concepts which we learn before the numbers. Numbers सीखने से पहले कुछ concept हम learn करते हैं that are pre-number concept. So we'll start with the fun starter. Let's find the pair. So teacher will show two objects, for example a big book and a small book, and ask student which one is big. दो books एक छोटी और एक बड़ी होगी. So teacher will ask which one is big, which one is small. Show long pencil and short pencil and ask which one is long and which one is short. So teacher say the word tall to the student, point the something tall in the classroom. Like you can see the door, cupboard, etc. Then teacher says short and student point out something which is short like eraser, chalk, etc. So this activity will help you to understand about the tall and short. Next is Minty and the Magic Garden. One sunny morning, Mintu the rabbit hopped into the magic garden near his home. The garden was full of colorful flowers, shiny fruits and tiny animals. Wow, there are so many things here, Mintu said happily. So Mintu garden में गया, उसने बहुत सारी colorful चीजें देखी. First he saw big flowers and small flowers. So he saw big flower and small, बड़े और छोटे flowers देखे. Here you can see the big flowers and the small flower. Then he noticed some long green beans and some short carrot. So long, you can see the long beans and the short carrot. He also saw many butterflies flying around and only one honeybee buzzing near the flower. उसने बहुत सारी butterflies देखी and only one honeybee. Clear? Suddenly, the garden fairy appeared. Mintu, she said, today you will learn how to look things carefully by their size, shape and number. So किस तरीके से हम चीज़ों का size, shape और number देख के उनके बारे में पता लगा सकते हैं. Mintu smiled. Yes, fairy. Let's start the magic of the learning. Now match the opposite. So आपको जो भी word given है उसका opposite आपको match करना है. Like big. Big का होता है small. Tall, short. More, less. Heavy, light. Thick, thin. Now next is above, below, near and on. So above means किसी चीज़ से ऊपर, below यानी नीचे, near यानी पास में and on means किसी चीज़ के ऊपर. That is used to describe the position of anything. किसी चीज़ की position बनाने के लिए. So draw the sun above the mountains. Here you can see अगर mountain के ऊपर if you will draw a sun like here you can draw a sun above the mountain. Draw the apples on the tree and one below it. So here you can see you can draw apples here and one below the tree, like one apple is here. Now draw a ball near the hut. हट के पास में एक बॉल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं इस तरीके से. Clear? Now you can see a picture. You can color the picture beautifully and you can observe these things. Now top and bottom. Top is upper part of something, किसी चीज़ का ऊपर का part, and bottom is the lower part of something. So we'll color the top part. This is the top part. We'll color it orange. Clear? So you have to color it beautifully. Orange करना है and the lower part you have to color the bottom of the dress green. So bottom को आप green color करेंगे like this. Clear? Now next is guess the position. You can do this activity with your partner. Place few things like bottle on the table, bag below the table, books inside the bag, and now ask the verbal questions like. तो इस तरीके से एक्टिविटी आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ क्लास में भी कर सकते हैं. लाइक कुछ चीज़ें ले, कुछ आपने ऊपर रख दी, कुछ उसके अंदर रख दी, कुछ साइड में रख दी. नाउ यू कैन आस्क वेयर इज़ द बैग. लाइक बैग कहाँ पे है, अबव और बिलो. वेयर आर द बुक्स, बुक्स कहाँ है, इनसाइड और आउटसाइड, इनसाइड द बैग, तो इस तरीके से आप चूज कर सकते हैं. Now focus on India. In India, the term tricolor or the Tiranga refer to the Indian national flag. Below given the national flag, color it. So this is our national flag. You have to color it. Top पे आपको करना है saffron. Then this is white. यहाँ पे saffron हो जाएगा. White. This is white. And this part you will color green. So, saffron color indicate the strength, white color indicate the peace, and the green color indicate the prosperity. Now look at the national flag and fill in the blanks. Dash color is at the top of Tiranga. Top पे होता है saffron. So, like this you will do all the questions. So, here we end the chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to you. आपको प्री नंबर कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गए होंगे. Now to practice it.